Honestly, it all started from AJ. To be honest with you, he just came to me one day and he was like, "Hey, what if we started a label?" I was like, "AJ, what? Like what? You can't just start a label. What do you gotta have a plan about this?" And he was just like, "Nah, let's just start a label. We've got a bunch of talented people that we know, and they don't really have a platform to get their talent out there. So let's be that platform for them." As long as I can remember, AJ, even back in high school, AJ's been doing music, just like recording on microphones on his laptop and all kinds of different things. And I would have to say it really boils down to the first few people that were actually a part of the label. And to be completely honest, it was me, AJ, and Reggie. And just because of their talent, because of their drive, it pushed all of us forward. It was definitely the push from them to be 100% about what they're doing to be able to get everything where we are now. They they didn't even believe me, to be honest with you. I said, "Hey, so I'm gonna have a studio in that room that we use in the basement that nobody actually uses. Let's put that into a studio." And they were like, "What? You can't have a studio in my basement, Chad?" Honestly, once we started, we came down here one day and we just broke the paint out and started painting the walls. And I think that's when they realized that, hey, they might actually be serious. So they were honestly just supportive the entire way. Late nights, people over here making our first album, our first mixtape, all that stuff. And they were honestly just really supportive. When we first had this idea, we sat down and we planned out the entire timeline. And I was like, AJ, we have to get good equipment. We can't just do whatever we want to. We got to get the good stuff. So we sat down and actually planned out the timeline of buying the microphone and purchasing all this other equipment. And in all honesty, one of our good friends, Chris, just came forward and just said, "Hey guys, tell me what you need, and I believe in you guys, so tell me what you need and we'll get the stuff for you." So right from there, we planned out everything, got the equipment, it all shipped to my house. It was like 15 different boxes. I mean, we wouldn't be here honestly without Chris right now. To Each His Own Sounds, that's what our record label is, 2EIO, and it stands for To Each Its Own. So everybody that's a part of the record label, they have their own style of music, their own taste, their own fan base. That's really what we wanted to encompass. A lot of these, record labels or big name record labels, they do what they think is best. But for us, we try to push the artists a way that they're comfortable with, in a way that, that their style of music and what they like to do. Everybody's different when it comes to Each His Own. So there's no one style of music that fits, one genre fits all. I mean, right now we do have a lot of rappers, but we're expanding. We're looking for some more people. So it's all about what you like. Everything that we've achieved this year has just been really crazy. We've been a lot of different people that we've met, a lot of different producers that actually work with you, and all kinds of different things. One of the biggest things for our record label is Reggie's album, when we released that. Because it was the very beginning stages and we were like, "Reggie, you're really talented. Let's get you out there. Let's release your album." And that album, it has, I don't even know, like tens of thousands of plays on SoundCloud. So we've just got, a lot of our music right now is free. The main goal for To Each His Own is honestly exposure. 2016, we've got a lot of stuff planned. We've got some stuff coming to iTunes, because all of our stuff's been on SoundCloud so far. So we've got some stuff coming to iTunes. We've got some more visuals, music videos, behind the scenes things, and a couple new artists. So yeah, we got some people in the incubator, working on their vocals and stuff. Step one is to get out of this basement. 5 years down the road, honestly, we want to turn To Each His Own into an actual record label and an actual, family is what we really are. Everybody here, anytime we have an issue, we work it out right then and there. So down the road, that's what it's going to be. It's just going to be one big family, and everybody's coming together for the love of music.